You're welcome back to our channel, Mathematics Bright Side. Today we are going to be looking at set theory and the basic things under set for mathematics scholars. The word set occurs in our daily life activities in various forms from home to school and in our dealings with one another. We use the word set in various things: football teams, group members, set of cutlery and other things. Please stay tuned, watch this video to the end. Thank you. So now let's look at the definition of a set. A set is a collection of well-defined objects with a unique or common character. Let's learn more about sets. A set is always denoted by a capital letter and it is always enclosed in a curly bracket. Let's look at some examples of sets. We have objects found in the classroom, months of the year, days of the week, and so on. We have the terms used under set. We have elements of a set, cardinality, subset, superset, and power of a set. Now let's look at the terms under this set one by one. Let's start with elements of a set. Elements of a set are the item or objects found in a given set. Let's look at how to identify elements of a set. Elements of a set are just the objects found inside the curly brackets. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 that are found inside the curly brackets are called the elements of the set A. That's just it. Let's move on to cardinality. Cardinality of a set is the total number of elements in the given set. So now let's look at how to identify cardinality. Cardinality is denoted by n brackets the given set. That is, the given set here is A, so we're going to put A into the bracket. So now looking at the cardinality, cardinality is just the total number of elements. So we're just going to count the number of elements here, the total number of elements. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to put 6 as the total number of elements. 6, that's just it. Let's look at more example on how to identify cardinality. As you can see in this example, we have 4 elements, that is A, B, C, D. So I'm just going to count the 4 elements, that is 1, 2, 3. So the total number, the cardinality is 4. That's just it. Now let's move to subset of a set. Subset of a set is a set that can be gotten from other sets. So now let's look at how to identify subset of a set. Subset of a set is always represented and denoted as this sign, this symbol here. So now let's look at this example. As you can see, all the elements in set B can be gotten from set A. That is 1 is also here, 3 is also here, 5 is also here. So we can simply say that our B, the set B, is a subset of the set A. So that's just it. Let's look at superset of a set. It is a set that other sets can be gotten from. That is, it contains all the members or elements of the other sets. So now let's look at how to identify superset of a set. Superset of a set is always denoted by this symbol here. So now as you can see, the set A contains all the elements that can be found in set B and set C. So we can simply say that our set A is a superset of set B. We can also say that our set A is a superset of the set C. So that's just it. Let's look at the last term, which is power of a set. Power of a set, it is the total number of subsets that can be found in the given set. So now let's move to how to identify power of a set. Power of a set is always denoted by 2 raised to the power of n. So let's look at this example. Set C contains 3 elements, which is S, Y, Z. So now we're going to look at the cardinality of set C, which is 3. That is 1, 2, 3. So now, using the general formula to get the power of the set, 2 raised to the power of n equals to 2. Our n is 3 raised to power 3, which is 8. So that's just it. So now let's look at the last example on how to identify power of a set. To identify the power of the set B, we're first going to look for the cardinality of the set B. Cardinality of the set B. So to get the cardinality, we're going to find the total number of the elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the cardinality of the set B is 6. So now, to get the power of the set, we're going to use the general formula 2 raised to power n, where our n is 6. 2 raised to power 6, which is 256. That's just it. Thanks for watching our videos. You can watch more of our videos below. In our next video, we're going to be looking at more advanced parts under set theory. Our next video will be uploaded next week, Tuesday or Wednesday. Subscribe to our channel to get notified. Thank you.